want to learn about parcel auditing because I know that's such a valuable resource for shippers to gain from. They can not only gain a clarity to their shipping efforts, but also gain refunds back.
Yes. So with shipping auditing, it's kind of a twofold process where basically we are pulling down all the data in order to look for the billing mistakes, the late packages, and in doing that, kind of like the byproduct of that is this flow of data that comes in for our clients. And it's a byproduct that is very useful to them just by doing the shipping auditing. And that's like, a lot of times when people, I think we discussed a while back about when somebody gives up, when they sign the waiver in their UPS contract, that's one of the things they do give up is the ability to have that secondary data stream.